Carl, thanks for joining us today to talk about some more Gatfol developments. What I'd like to find out is a little bit more about what your plans are for the commercial application of Gatfol.
Obviously we want to make money. The basic plan at the moment is to have a free to individuals tool. We hope that individuals will drive this in the marketplace, and then we'll just have a set of API for companies at a subscription, just like a lot of other people have.
And which industries are you actually, or are you specifically planning to target with the Gatfol Search Technology?
Well, it's really so wide. We're going to have a new industry that's really coming up now as a whole, talking to fridges, talking to cars, talking to homes. We're going to look at advertising, target word linkage in advertising, target word linkage in internet shopping, for instance. There's just so much. Analysis for security purposes, governments trawling through Facebook and Twitter pipelines. There's just anything really to do with data and search. Yeah.
And searching on private and proprietary databases.
Oh yes, yeah. Obviously databases in banks, databases in large medical systems, maybe NHS in Britain, those kind of things, yes.
Which means therefore that we can't really just limit this technology to the South African markets, but we have to apply it more broadly internationally, because it seems to me that every company can benefit in some way from this technology.
Yes, yeah. No, correct, international, yeah.
What impact do you think it is going to have on the various industries?
I think it's going to probably vary from industry to industry. I think some are probably a little bit in that direction in any case, to put keywords, to work beyond keywords. Search does it a little bit, and Siri from Apple, for instance, the app, there's a little bit of working beyond keywords into grouping words into larger groups, but I think some of them haven't touched it at all, so I think it's going to depend on the industry.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. How easy do you think it's going to be to enable companies to apply the Gatfol software algorithms in the workplace?
We're going to set up something standard, so it's just going to be standard APIs, and that's going to be easy. It's going to link into our server wherever that is, and then it's just the speed's going to be comparable to the speeds one gets with anything that really that you're linking at the moment. Well, there's all security thing and everything, but that's all roughly standard. We're just going to follow whatever best standards are at the moment internationally.
Which makes me think, therefore, that you'd like to apply this purely on the internet, so that we can actually target the whole world internationally with this technology.
Yeah, we want to link it through web browser technology for individuals, and then the APIs will link directly to the server. Yeah.
That sounds incredibly good. Probably quite complex in terms of getting it right, but certainly something that's feasible and possible. Where do you think this is all going to be rolled out in due course? How long is it going to take before we can actually see a prototype available on the commercial side?
We hope we're pushing again as hard as possible for the end of February, which is roughly a month's time, I think. Yeah.
So it's a lot sooner than we think. So you're obviously working night and day, weekends to get this whole thing off the ground. But it sounds very exciting. Thanks once again for your time, sharing your insights with us, and look forward to the next meeting.
Thanks very much.
Thanks.